Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. If you're working in the patch, you've probably been asked this at the gate. Does your truck have a Posi Air Shut Off? And if it doesn't, you're turning around. So let's talk about what it is and how guys are installing them. A Posi Air is basically an emergency air intake shut-off. If the engine ever starts pulling in combustible gas on a site, it chokes the air and kills the motor before it can run away. And that's why some oilfield locations require them. It's not a truck thing, it's a safety rule for the job site. Now the big question, can you add one aftermarket? Yes, most of these are installed after the fact. It's a 12-volt system tied into the switch in the cab and an air shut-off valve mounted in the intake piping. Clean install, proper wiring, and you're good to go. Next thing everybody worries about, does this void your warranty? If it's installed properly and not hacked into the factory wiring or emissions equipment, in most cases, no. That's why having it done by someone who's done oil field installs before actually matters. And then how do you test it on site? Simple. Truck idling, hit the shut off, engine should die immediately. That's literally the inspection. If it doesn't kill the motor, you're not going in. So if you're planning to work on more regulated sites and you're tired of getting turned away at the gate, a Posi Air setup is one of those things that just becomes part of the build. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629 and we'll try our best to help you out.